connection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what?
Yeah, I did it without you. I'm a ball without you. You should've never doubted. I'm getting rich without you. I couldn't breathe without you.
It's a vlog. I know it's been a hot minute, but I am here and I'm back. It's Friday. This will be like a weekend vlog, so this will be up on Saturday, but not Saturday, I meant to say Sunday. But I'm currently on the way to my car because I have to get my car. I need to go to Myers or Walmart somewhere to get some tubs. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. But I have to move out in like 2 weeks, so I need to get some things to put my clothes. Y'all, it's kind of later. I totally forgot to pick up the camera to vlog, but I had went to Chipotle with one of my friends after I had got like tubs. I don't know why I keep saying tubes, from Big Lots, and now I'm like packing up some of my stuff. Y'all, like, it's really a mess, but everything is organized in a certain spot. It's just a matter of putting it up now. But yeah, so I will update y'all when I finish.
Never doubt you. I'm getting rich without you. I couldn't breathe without you. I couldn't live without you. But now my life is so amazing, I'm okay without you. Phone put on my strap it. Money, gotta have it. I throw it up, she grab it. You be hating on some ass shit. Ooh, swag, get that bag, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so this is kind of like an update. I have clothes literally everywhere. Tomorrow I'm going to go get another thing. I did not fold these, y'all, and I'm not folding these till tomorrow because I'm really tired. But I folded all of these. I'm going to get another big tube for like $15. And then I'm going to get a couple garbage bags. And then I have like my suitcase. But I still got like 2 weeks, y'all. Today is... Today is the 20th, and I have to that, so I have about 14 days. I'm really ahead. But yeah, so this is like my overview. This is probably the last y'all will see until like I move out. Okay, what's up? It's Saturday, and me and Bria are on our way to get our storage thing. I think y'all remember Bria. She was in a couple videos. I was. But yeah, it's kind of nice outside. Not really. But yeah. She's trying to kill me. Oh my god. But I just have on like these. What are these? Capris? Shorts, whatever. And these shoes. This shirt and jacket. I look a hot mess. I have to put some lotion on. I put 2 and 2 together. Basically. So we at this place and it's a little janky. So we just sitting in the car because we need to figure out like what's our next move. And my crazy self forgot to go to the bank.
How you let me drive 7 minutes if we don't got the damn money?
Because I thought she had Cash App. You know, if you in college, Cash App is key. Like, how do people send her money? So we don't have to go to the bank. But y'all, so why do Bria got me driving her car, right? Because I don't know why, her crazy self, and I'm just as crazy. She wanted to stay there, I guess because the man was already there or whatever. But like, girl, so y'all probably like, what? But oh shoot, I had to drive her car, and remind you, her car is like newer, so I'm like nervous. Because I know how to drive, but you know, like it's other people's vehicle. And then I text her like, what's the address? Because I'm like, I don't know where I'm going to get back to the place because I wasn't paying attention and I had to go to the bank. But yeah, I'm gonna have to stop vlogging because I'm not trying to wreck nobody's stuff, and I just need to get back to her to give her my portion of our storage. So yeah, even though y'all can't see me, car. And I found the PNC. Now we
Wait.
looking to see what our thing look like.
Shit, how you do this again?
Oh, he showed you?
Yeah. I think it's this way.
This what our little spot look like, y'all. Hey. So we came to Meijer. No, is this Meijer or Walmart? Meijer. I think this Walmart. I don't know. I don't want to say it too loud. Bria, what store are we in? Oh wow. I was calling it Meijer. That's disrespectful. We came to Walmart. Oh yeah. They ain't got the white kind. Oh,
Yes.
these are gorgeous. I'm putting this thing back. One of them going.
I got this. They look good.
But girl, you still paying as much as CVS. Ain't these cute, y'all? You still paying as much as if you went to CVS. I don't know how I feel about these. These, you might as well not even wear them.
I like mine.
So I think I'm gonna buy these. I already have some. I really just need blue. And I get this kind. No, that's the white one.
White, I actually like white because I use hair.
Hit them angles, put your phone up, snapping like you Fable. And you're showing up, but it's alright. And you're showing up, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah. Cut me off, she ain't hold me down. My nigga switched up on me, he ain't hold me down. My daddy walked
Okay,
out
so
on
if
me, he
you
ain't
a
hold me down. So I keep
Detroit
it locked on me,
person,
it's gonna hold
you
me
know this is
down.
the jam.
My bitch cut me off, she ain't
And we
hold
just
me
listened to
down.
this, so she probably
Niggas
extra
switched up on me,
annoying.
they ain't hold me down. My nigga
So Bria talk about Myers has good lash glue. All the stuff I showed y'all in the last clip, we didn't even get because I thought we were going to Myers.
Is he saying hi to me?
He probably got something.
Huh?
He probably has some kind of.
What the hell going on?
Yeah. It's crazy. Just don't look over there. But so we not going to Myers. So I didn't get tubes. We ended up at Dollar General. So let's see what they have.
Let me know who paid $5 for glue. Let me know.
Me. Okay, y'all. So it's Saturday still. Why did I come home? I was like going to redo my makeup because I don't know. For some reason, I have to do my lashes before my makeup, which is so weird. I know a lot of people do it the other way, but I have to put my lashes on before I do the rest of my face. So I took my whole little, I had like on foundation earlier and like highlight eyebrows. I did that earlier. Y'all can see I took all of that off, right, to go do my lashes because I had to get lash glue. And y'all, I just kept messing up. I said I have to keep practicing because as soon as I like start to like get good with makeup and all that good stuff, I just stopped doing it. And then when I do it again, it just be like I'm lost and don't know what to do. So I had to I just took it all off, so I'm just barefaced right now. I changed the part in my hair and like slicked it because I just need to wash my hair and do it over. But I put on like a off the shoulder top because it got a little bit warmer outside. But I'm I'm trying to take pictures, and because my room is so junky, it's not junky, but y'all seen it. I don't want like that in my background because it's gonna look like I don't have no sheets. I don't care what people say, but then again, like when I'm at the door, the windows for my good lighting, you can see all these clothes. So like I just gotta wait till I get outside. But you know, nobody really take pictures of you how you take pictures of yourself. And I'm just talking, but I'm waiting on Mariah, and then we're gonna head out to this little barbecue, whatever. So yeah, see y'all. I feel cute, as y'all can see. 2 more weeks before I can get me a full set. Praise them. All right, yeah, bye.
Have that thing that, you know how the lady stomachs be hanging down?
You ain't gonna have it.
Yes, I am.
We came to the little shindig BBQ. This one right here. Girl, you know the food all that is. Pay no mind to the channel. We don't need that. To the feedback. When I beat that. Sit back, relax. To the money makes a climax. Can't go back feeling. It's so good. I'm in it, know the feeling. This is the only one I like. The mac and cheese nasty though.
Yeah, I'm looking at something like a true girl. A girl told me that a man that can dance might can possibly get down with the two.
Got that